Hello, I'm here today to show you the basic functions and features of the iQuoteM tool. In this module, we're going to show you what to do with an estimate after it's been done and the customer decides to go ahead and book that job. So, in the previous modules, we've gone through adding a lead, booking in the appointment, doing an estimate. Now, all of our estimates are sitting in this next category, estimates to follow up. So they'll stay there forever, or at least for 60 days, until they're then transferred into estimates not approved after 60 days. So in this case, we did the estimate last week. Let's say that Judy Jones, she's called up and she wants to go ahead and book in her fence job, and she decided she wants to go ahead with the fixed price job. So we open up her record by clicking on it there. Now, if we have hundreds or dozens of leads in that category, we could have searched by her name, but there's one in there, so we could just click on that. At the top, we see these various buttons: Approve Fixed Job, Approve Variable Job. She's decided to go ahead and approve the fixed job, so I'll go ahead and click Approve Fixed Job. Now, this is just to mark that the job is approved. Judy at this point in time may not know what time she wants to do the job or what day she wants to do the job on. She might want to come back to us, so that's okay. We'll go back to Home and we'll see that Judy's job has now moved from estimates to follow up down to jobs approved but not scheduled. So let's go in there. Well, in this case, let's say that Judy wants to go ahead and book in the variable job. So we'll click Schedule Job. And she does know the time, so you can go ahead and schedule the job all in one go and use the same scheduling function showed to you for booking in the appointment. And in this case, let's say that Judy wants to do this job on Saturday the 25th. So we simply click on that day, and we normally start jobs at 7:30 in the morning. Click Done. And maybe we want to say a special note to Judy. Please make sure the dog's chained up. And what this will do is when I click Create at the bottom of this and Save, it's going to automatically send this email to Judy. But it will also put in a calendar item in my company's schedule for what jobs are starting on what days. So again, it means we never have to input that customer's data except that first time when we book a lead. I'll hit Create. And this is, as I said, going to put the calendar item into our company's schedule as well as send Mrs. Jones an email. Now, if we look at that schedule area, we find Judy's job. Now we'll leave this job in Job Scheduled until the job is complete. So about once a week, my staff will go through scheduled jobs and look at the ones that are completed. We'll click Edit, and when the job's completed, we'll basically change the status to Completed and hit Complete. Scroll to the bottom, everything looks good there, and then we'll just click Save at the top. Now this has taken that job out of the final counter, and as we can see here, there's no marked jobs scheduled because they've all been completed. So we've brought you through inputting a brand new customer or a brand new lead, editing an existing customer, we've booked in the appointment, we went out and did the estimate, we then followed up and scheduled that job, we then had the job and we completed the job. That's the basic functions and features of the product, the iQuoteM tool. Thank you very much.